amigos and welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to discuss about Summer Research Internship Program IIT Gandhinagar. Here you get a chance to work under IIT Gandhinagar's faculties. So today in this video we'll discuss about how to apply for this internship, what are the eligibility criteria and what is the last date to apply, and so many things. So before starting the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's start. So firstly we'll see what are the eligibility criteria. For that you have to click here on guidelines. Okay, so these are the guidelines. The students pursuing bachelor's or master's degree at the prominent institute of India, this is the eligibility criteria. Then the duration is 8 weeks within summer break of IIT Gandhinagar, and the last date is March of 25th. Okay, so this is the last date. In the requirements, applications are required to work with IIT Gandhinagar faculties. Applicants are advised to review the list of participating faculty along with the description of project being offered. तो उन्होंने फैकल्टीज और उनके प्रोजेक्ट की लिस्ट दी है, हमें उसमें से एक प्रोजेक्ट या सब्जेक्ट और वॉट एवर सब्जेक्ट यू आर इंटरेस्टिंग इन वो आपको सिलेक्ट करना है. सो वील सी दैट लिस्ट आफ्टरवर्ड्स. बिफोर, applicants may apply for the internship based on their interest and prior experience. They are free to apply for projects outside of their declared degree specialization. Okay, so applicants will be required to make a presentation to the institute and submit the report at the end of the tenure. In this present scenario, internship program 2022 will be conducted in the offline mode. Okay, before that because of the lockdown ये प्रोग्राम ऑनलाइन होता था, बट अभी from this year this program will conducted in offline mode. Okay, in this mode the students are expected to work on the project in person and interact with the faculty mentor on regular basis while staying on campus. This mode is open to all students, external and internal, and the interns will be entitled to receive a stipend, a certificate on successful completion of the certificate. So you can also get the stipend after completion of this internship, and weekly stipend of rupees 2000 will be paid after completion of this internship, and the stipend for faculty funded project however may vary. Okay, and then hostel accommodation will be provided to the summer interns, and students are required to pay applicable hostel charges जो बहुत कम है, so don't worry about it. Then here you have to click for apply. Note is applicant should not send hard copy of the field application form to IIT Gandhinagar. Okay, आपको hard copy नहीं send करनी है. Let's see how to. So this is the flyer of this program. These here it's results, but अभी selection नहीं हुआ है तो results नहीं आएंगे. Then this is the portal जहाँ पे आपको click करना है. So okay, then we have to click here prospective interns. Here you can get the list of the projects, project title, project description, faculty and project mode. तो project mode तो offline ही है, मतलब in person mode ही है. So you can check the titles, check the project descriptions, read everything, and जिस project में आपका interest है you can select this. So there are I think 1 or 3 project titles. You can read everything, check whatever you have interest, in which you have interest. Let's say I have interest in this particular topic, which is Evaluation of oxazoles as novel enzyme inhibitor, in which design, synthesis and characterization of assessment of oxazoles for targeting specific protein or enzyme. So this is the project title, and the Bhaskar Datta, he is the faculty. So what you have to do, you have to remember the faculty Bhaskar Datta and this code, project code. Let me copy. Okay, then here you have to apply. So firstly let's select the faculty, which was Bhaskar Datta, then project code. Let me paste here, which we have copied before. So it's 001. Okay, let me select. Then project title, which is evaluation of oxalozones as novel enzyme inhibitor. Okay, here we can automatically get intern ID. Then you have to write your name. Then here you have to write your mobile number, phone number, mail ID, alternate mail ID. Then permanent city, here you have to write your date of birth. Then degree, department, कॉलेज नेम, ईयर ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग टू द कॉलेज. देन यहाँ पे आपको आपका कॉलेज का एड्रेस लिखना है. देन परसेंटेज लिखना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द जेंडर. ओके, then they are asking, will you be able to complete 6 weeks of internship between April to June? तो आपके कॉलेज के शेड्यूल के हिसाब से आप yes और no लिख लेना. Then you have to write the statement of purpose. In statement of purpose you have to write why you have the interest in this particular subject. You can also write about yourself, what you have achieved in your achievements, and why you like this subject. Like this, write a statement of purpose and paste it here. Then you have to submit your application. So that way you can submit your application. Please read all these eligibility criteria, requirements, all these things carefully, and if you are eligible, please apply to this internship. You can also get the stipend for this. So that's it for today, I think. So I'll see you in the next video. Before that, please like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to your favorite channel, Biotechnological. Bye.